under my feet.
Hi, my name is Shanae Gonzalez Cooper.
Hi, my name is Raquel Raquel Coleman.
Hi, my name is Shanisha Gonzalez Cooper.
All right, give them a big hand, everybody.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back. I want you back. My neighbors think I'm crazy, but they don't understand. You're all I had. You're all I had. Oh, at night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to my God, trying to get to heaven, in hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too. Or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to my God? When I feel like I'm famous, the talk of the town, they say I've gone mad. They say I've gone mad. But they don't know what I know, 'cause when the sun goes down, someone's talking back. Yeah, they're talking back. Oh, at night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to my God, trying to get to heaven, in hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too. Or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to my God, my God,
My God,
my God? Do you ever hear me calling?
my God,
My God, my God.
my God,
'Cause every night I'm talking to my God, still trying to get to heaven, in hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too. Or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to my God? Oh, oh, oh. I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away.